How to get $180 Walmart promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you will find the search box. Type in Walmart promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you working promo codes for Walmart. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Wired. After you open it, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Just scroll and check. 20% coupon code, 25% coupon code, $20 coupon code, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you are interested in and want to use it. Click on copy code. So here's the code, you can copy it. Now I can head towards the website of Walmart, make your purchase, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of visit Walmart. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Walmart. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase. While you check out, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to these offers. Using all these offers, you can get up to $180 Walmart promo code. Also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you tons of working promo codes for Walmart. Well, this is how you can get up to $180 Walmart promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.